Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we have the 2025 to 2026 Kia Carnival. Designed for families and fleets alike, the Kia Carnival delivers space, comfort, and confidence on every trip. And DFC ensures it stops with the same assurance it drives with. Our DFC 5000 series brake pads and rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, providing smooth pedal feel, quiet operation, and dependable performance under any driving condition. Each GeoSpec coated rotor offers long-lasting corrosion protection, while OE-specific hardware ensures a perfect fit and reliable installation every time. For added convenience, these components are also available in a complete all-in-one brake kit, helping distributors manage inventory efficiently and saving time in the shop for installers. At DFC, we continue to lead the market by investing in innovation, expanding our catalog quickly, and supporting our partners with industry-leading fill rates and customer service. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Fridays to see what we're launching next.